So from the video title, I'm going to walk you through all you need to know, right? Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Head over to your Telegram account or Telegram, right? Here's our Telegram. And yeah, okay, let me see. You're going to click on this, right? You're going to click on this new message. Now from here, you can select anyone you want to select, right? So I can select this, right? Once I've selected this, and if you'd love to like remove him for any reasons, what you're gonna do right now, you're gonna click on this, right? Once you have clicked on it, you can see this pen icon right here. Click on it, and you can see this right here. So once I can just come on here, I'll click on this, and yeah, he's gone, right? So I think that is it. So for me to be able to add him back, I'll come on here, click on this to add him back. But for now, yeah, I've done the needful. So if you found this video helpful, let me know below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. See you all in the very next one.